In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out all other sessions on your Slack account if you have lost your phone or if you have been using a public computer. So by doing this, you'll be able to prevent a misuse of your account or avoid your account being used by unauthorized people. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and log into your Slack account, and once you are in, go ahead and click on your Slack workspace name above here and then choose tools and settings, and under this go ahead and look for settings, and under it click on workspace settings. Now this will go ahead and open a new tab, and on the sidebar here choose account profile. Now under account profile, scroll down until you see we have this option, sign out all other sessions. You are told if you lost your phone or left yourself logged in on a public computer, this is one of the best way you can sign out everywhere except your current browser. To do this, go ahead and click on sign out all other sessions, and you'll be logged out on all devices apart from the one you are on. So that's how you can sign out all other sessions on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.